Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last week I gave the CNSP examination by the SecOps groups and I successfully passed that exam with merit, and in this video I'll share my experience with you. Personally, when first of all I have to give this exam, then I go to YouTube and search for these review videos like what is this examination and all other things about the examination, like is it worth it and what is the pros and cons of this exam I have to appear and all this stuff. And I don't found any video on the YouTube, so I decided why not to make one video and share with people about this examination. So in this video I'll share my experience with you, like how you have to give this exam, is it really worth it, and all the pros and cons of this examination. So all the things we're going to cover this in this video, so be with me till the last of this video to know more about this examination. So let's start the video. CNSP or Certified Network Security Practitioner. This is the exam that is provided by the SecOps Group. So this is a entry-level exam that tests your knowledge on the core concept of network security. Basically, in this exam, you will be asked about all the networking and networking security. And there will be total 1 hour duration of this exam. In that 1 hour duration, you will get 60 MCQs or multiple choice questions, and you have to answer them. If you get 65%, then you will be passed the exam, and if you will get more than 75%, then you will pass the exam with merit. And in this 1 hour, the 60 questions that will get to solve, in that 60 questions, that will be not directly from the theory, it will be real world scenario based and practical questions. So you must have practical experience related to networking and network security to pass this examination. To give this exam, you have to purchase it from their official website pentestingsexams.com. To purchase this exam, click on buy now and it will redirect you to the cart page, and from here you can check out. And currently their Black Friday sale is going, so there will be 90% off on all their examination. So if you currently take their examination, then you will get 90% discount. Like for example, the total cost of this CNSP exam is £120, but for now if you use this code BF90, you will get 90% discount and you have to pay only £12 to get this exam. And if you are interested in giving this exam, then this is the right time for you. So for whom this exam is? So it is for the students who are interested in cybersecurity, or the people who are currently in IT desktop or other jobs and switch to cybersecurity and network security. For those people, this exam is perfect. Now let's talk about the syllabus of this exam. Most of the topic that will be come from networking and networking security. As I already mentioned, all the questions are not going to be theoretical. It is also going to be practical and come from real world scenarios. So here are some networking topics like TCP/IP, OSI layer, IPv4 and other networking devices. Then you have to knowledge about networking scanning and enumeration, cryptography, Active Directory security basics. Still it is Active Directory is a advanced topic, but you will get some basic security questions like mostly about the golden ticket and other things. Then Linux and Windows security basics. If I talk about mostly Linux and Windows, then there will be questions like where all the password hashes are stored, or Linux file access system, like how we get access of different files in Linux. And there will be other topics like basic malware analysis. Personally, when I am giving this exam, then I don't get any question from basic malware analysis. Then you will also get questions from network security tools and frameworks like Nmap, Wireshark. I also get questions regarding to other tools like dig and NSLOOKUP. I'll recommend you to download Kali Linux and use the tool Nmap, Wireshark, NSLOOKUP and dig, so that you will be prepared for the examination, because the question that will come in the examination, that will be practical regarding these tools. So you must know how to use these tools in order to give the exam. Then you have other topics like OSINT, database security and TLS security. In TLS security, you have to mostly ask about like the which versions are safe, which versions are not. This kind of question will come from TLS security. I guess I got 3 questions related to TLS or 2 something. And then password storage, how to store the password in a safe way, like we solved for it and other stuff like this. This question will come in the examination. This is the whole syllabus. I'll strongly recommend you to download and use Nmap and Wireshark, especially Nmap. Don't just download Nmap and learn how to use it, how to write the command. Also learn that how Nmap works, like when we used Nmap and scan any UDP port or TCP port, then what happen if there is firewall, then what happen if there is no firewall, or port is open, then what happen, like all this topic. try to cover most of them. This is a beginner level exam, but this is not going to be that much easy. You'll get question that is related to very core concepts, so be prepared for that. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this examination. Now let's talk about some pros of this examination. The first one is the price. It is a very pocket friendly cybersecurity entry level exam. Like if you compare other cybersecurity entry level exams like CH or CompTIA Security Plus or OSCP, you have to pay a lot for them. But compared to them, the CNSP is too much cheaper. The second one is quality. The questions are actually good. The test is in MCQ, but the question will come from real world scenarios. The third one is you can give this exam at any time, at anywhere. Like you don't need to schedule this exam. And the fourth one is you don't need to download any additional software in your computer to give this exam. Like in other exam, whether it is Azios exam or CH exam, you have to download a software in your computer. After that you can give that exam, but in this you don't need to download any other software. You can give this exam on your laptop on the website. So that's the pros of this exam. Now let's talk about the cons. So the first one is the main reason that we don't want to give this exam is the recognition. It is too new to the market because companies like CompTIA Security or CEH, they are very popular in the matter of cybersecurity certification. But in the current market, the SecOps groups is not that much popular. The reason why most of people don't like it, there will be no real-time proctor with you while you are giving the exam. Yeah, that's a very much big problem. That is, there will be no real-time proctor with you. If you want to cheat, then you can cheat. As the exam will be on a website, you can open other tabs like ChatGPT and just copy paste this question and pass the examination easily. So that is the biggest consequence of this examination in my opinion, because if you don't have a real time proctor and you are giving the exam on the website, you can cheat easily. Like there are questions on scenario based, but still people can cheat using ChatGPT or any AI. The problem with that is when this cheating can happen is that much easily. Most of the people who don't have the knowledge about the field or network security, they can pass this exam easily without studying. That's going to be down the market value of this certification. Now the main question, is it really worth it? So in my opinion, yes. If you really want to test your skills, boost your confidence, and you are honest with yourself, you have confidence that without cheating you can pass this exam, then this is a perfect certification for you. And also at the end you will get a verified certificate that you can add on your resume. That's my opinion on this certification, and if you have any other opinion then let me know in the comment section.